133 La Crosse Drive in Morgan Hill is now officially on the market. And before I show you what an awesome location this is, take a look at the inside of this spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. There's just over 1,000 square feet. Nice open concept floor plan with the kitchen, dining area, and living room, and then a good-sized primary suite. You have a ton of closet space in this unit. Guest bedroom here, and guest bath, and an indoor laundry, which is so nice, and then a little private patio. But when you walk out the front door, you get this amazing view of El Toro Hill. You're half a mile from this great park, from tennis courts. There are biking and hiking trails adjacent to the complex. You're right around the corner from the grocery store, and then a mile and a half to downtown Morgan Hill. And if you want to hop in the car, within 8 to 10 minutes, you can be at some gorgeous wineries, or stay at home and enjoy the pool and the spa in the complex. Definitely check this place out.